Hey everybody, this is G-Lynn from the Find the Money, Save the Money video blog. And I'm letting y'all know I'm not re-recording this video. It is what it is. I was thinking about today, what would I do if I had to start all over? I'm not making as much money. I'm not going to lie to you like a lot of gurus because I'm not one. I'm not a guru. But I'm not making the kind of money I want to make online. But I see a lot of resources and I want to share them with you. And I thought, luckily, I'm blessed to have a job that does pay my bills. But jobs can disappear, they can go away. Nothing is 100% safe. So I was thinking today, what would I do if I had to start all over and didn't have any money? And I'm gonna show you a couple of programs. I'm not gonna be on here long because I started kind of late. It's already almost 10:40 p.m. and I need to go to bed because I gotta go to work in the morning. So I'm gonna try and keep my energy high. I'm gonna work on that today, okay? But I want to just say this. If I had to start all over and I had no money, I'm always talking about Canva. And the reason I'm gonna pull up Canva is because it gives you, I tell people you can actually do videos with Canva. Canva has the coolest AI. Look at these things I made with AI. This is just so cool. Look at it. Beautiful, isn't it? Could take something like this and basically do a cartoon or just, actually you can make this a really pretty a really nice book cover. And you could send a book cover to someone. This is what I did for one of my coworkers. I didn't want to show her name on here. I wish I could find a way to line her name out so you can see it. But I did this on a bag. I actually made this. She was retiring. And I actually created this on Canva. I used paper that you print in your printer. And it actually has the backing where you can just take it off. You don't have to iron it. It actually has the pill-away backing. And I put this on a bag for her. And let me tell you the cool thing about something like this. When it comes to t-shirts, you may offend somebody if you get the wrong size, but a bag always gonna be the right size. Everybody always can use a Canva bag. But what if you could take this and make a design for someone else and sell it? You could do that because remember, I'm talking about if you had to start all over. So if you had to start all over, you could come up with a really cool design, do it on Canva, sell it on Etsy, Payhip, every place. And sell it every place you can, Pinterest, and let other people print it off at their own home on that, like I say, pill-away paper, or they can use the ironing paper, whatever, and they could use it for their own project, and you can get paid. Because remember, we said we're starting over. Now, another thing I want to show you all, I told you all I'm going to show you a lot of things in a short amount of time. Okay, so let's go over here. Let's go this thing. I'll just have a quick games today. Okay. So I'm going to show you a couple of other things that you could do if you had to start all over and you had no money. I talked about Payhip. Payhip is a store. It's sort of like a Spotify, Etsy. And the thing is, you can start it without any money. You don't have to pay a monthly fee. They just take a small percentage of your commission, which is fine. You're starting over. You have no money. You don't care. So you could actually take that same template that we just showed that you created on Canva, put it on here, and sell it to other people. And you can add all kinds of products, whatever products you want to add. And again, it is a free product. It's free to start. Only thing they're going to do is take money, like I say, a little small commission from your sales. So again, remember we're starting with zero, no money. So also Like I said, you can put anything on here, and the great thing about it is going to take care of your checkout and all those things for you. So it's going to be great. Just showing Payhip. I'm not going to show SC and all the other things, because I said this is a quick tutorial. So that's one thing we're going to do is this one. Well, we're going to come over here. And we're going to do this again. Okay. And let's go over here. Now, again, you're starting over. Now, with this, I'm going to show you a couple. Okay, hi. I'm going to show you a couple of things I love. When you can do what is called print on demand. Print on demand, you don't spend your own money up at all. You create the product, you create the design, and the company sends it out for you. One of the companies I like is Redbubble. Again, it doesn't cost you to put anything on their site. Again, you may use Canva to create your design and then upload it to Redbubble. And there's some more. This thing decided wants to be. You know, sometimes when you're in a hurry, things get a little crazy. Of course, there's Printify, same thing. You can upload again using your Canva to create the design, and then put it on something like Printify. You can do t-shirts, you can do mugs, you can do all kinds of things. Okay. Also, there's another one, Teespring. There's a couple of them out there. It's actually, I'm gonna make one's called Copycat. There's a couple of other ones, Custom Ink. It's a whole lot of them, but the one I'm most familiar with is Teespring and Redbubble. A lot of people I notice are promoting Printify, so I decided to talk about it. But again, the great thing about this, you're not spending any money. They take the money out of the commission, out of what you're selling. So that actually makes things much easier for you. Oh, and by the way, this is for informational and educational purposes only. I cannot guarantee you will make any money. And also do me a favor, hit the like button and subscribe. That'll help me out a lot. So again, like I said, if you were starting, again, this is if you were starting over. Now, let's go over here. Don't want to do that. There's also some other products I could tell you about, like the digital. I don't know if you used to remember the entertainment books. They have an actual digital download for that, in which you can set that up, and you can actually sell it. You can actually sell the digital downloads in place of the old entertainment books. If you remember, entertainment books used to give you the coupons. Now they actually have the digital one. And the great thing about the digital one, it adjusts to whatever state you're in, so you can actually sell to family members that's in another state. I already told you all, I'm not re-recording this video. It's late. Sorry. Not re-recording my video. Okay. Another thing I would tell you, again, if you're starting from scratch, another website that you can use. Oh, by the way, I already told you, Canva has free websites. Also, which is actually beautiful. You can actually make videos on Canva also. Okay, this is Blogspot. Blogspot is actually owned by Google. It is 100% free. Again, you can create your own blog. You can put your own products inside the blog, see, and it's 100% free. Okay. Oh, another thing, if you have a Windows computer and you want to do videos, you know that Windows actually has its own video product that you can use to make videos like what I'm making. I use Movie, but you can also use the free Windows version, again, I said we start from 0, that we want to make as much money as we can. So look at this. Okay, so if you notice, it actually has, you can actually put in your own products inside here. And again, it's 100% free. So I hope I helped you find a way to make some money. This is Jillian.